no hooks, no hassle. YellyHommy Waffle Shower Curtain. Snap, set and shower in style. Tired of wrestling with stubborn shower curtain hooks? Say hello to the YellyHommy no-hook waffle shower curtain, the ultimate game-changer in bathroom convenience. Featuring a built-in split-ring design, this shower curtain installs in seconds, no need to remove the rod, no fumbling with annoying hooks. Just snap it on and enjoy. Made from high-quality waffle weave fabric, this curtain brings a luxurious, hotel spa feel to your bathroom while keeping it dry, stylish, and hassle-free. The snap-in liner is water-repellent, removable, and machine washable, making cleaning easier than ever. Elevate your shower experience with YellyHommy, because your bathroom deserves an upgrade. Designed for those who love both functionality and elegance, this curtain features a top sheer mesh window, allowing natural light in while maintaining your privacy. Need to keep an eye on the time or check on your pet? The see-through panel lets you do just that without stepping out of the shower. Unlike traditional curtains that darken your space, this innovative design keeps your bathroom bright and open. Plus, the dual-layer fabric construction ensures maximum water containment, so you'll never deal with messy puddles outside your tub again. Not only does this shower curtain enhance your bathroom's look, but it also saves you time and money. The quick snap liner means effortless replacement, no need to buy an entirely new curtain. The built-in magnets at the bottom ensure the liner stays in place, preventing it from billowing or sticking to you mid-shower. And because it's machine washable, you won't have to spend on expensive cleaning services. The YellyHommy shower curtain is an affordable, long-lasting solution that delivers both style and practicality in one sleek package. Durability meets design in this top-tier shower curtain, crafted with premium fabric that resists wear and tear. Unlike cheap plastic alternatives that crack and discolor over time, the YellyHommy waffle curtain is built to last, maintaining its soft texture and elegant look for years. The double-stitched edges and high-density fabric offer superior resistance to moisture and mildew, ensuring your bathroom stays fresh and clean. Backed by years of expertise in shower curtain innovation, YellyHommy guarantees high-quality craftsmanship at a price that won't break the bank. Why settle for outdated, frustrating shower curtains when you can upgrade to the YellyHommy no-hook waffle shower curtain? With its instant install design, premium fabric, easy-to-clean snap-in liner, and hotel-quality aesthetics, this curtain is a must-have for any modern bathroom. Whether you're sprucing up your home, upgrading a rental, or simply tired of dealing with annoying hooks, this is the shower curtain you've been waiting for. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like oasis today, effortless, stylish, and totally hassle-free.